viewers, my subscribers, my YouTube's friends and families all over the world. Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time of the day you watch my videos. Happy Saturday to you. Okay, guys, today I'm going to cook some stew peas and white rice. Okay, stew peas and white rice. I'm going to show it to you now, guys. This is my pigtail. Put it to soak already. You can see because it is salty, so you have to put it to soak. Over here I have my peas. Okay, and I have my seasoning here and my rice. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I already put water in it, so I'm going to throw off this water and then all right, guys, so I throw off the water, so I'm going to cut off the fats, okay, and wash. Cut off the fats like this. If you don't have to cut it off, but you can. But I cut off mine, all right? Pigtail, pretty, so pretty. Right, guys, it's so pretty. My viewers, pigtail pretty. And this is made from pork. It's pork. Okay, I know some of you guys don't eat pork, but if you eat it, no problem. So you cut it like this. And remember, guys, you have to put your pigtail because it is salty, and you have to put it to soak before. So here I am now. I'm going to put it to boil off like 5 minutes to boil out some of the salt. If you like the salt in it, you don't have to boil it that long. Maybe 2 or 3 minutes. So I'm going to put it to boil off like 5 minutes. Okay. So you're going to stay there and boil off for 5 minutes. After which now I'm going to throw off this water and put fresh water in it. So over here now I have my pot now to put my peas in it. So I'm going to put it together. The peas may cook before the meat. So if anything, I can take out the meat or the peas, any one of them, you can take it out. So over here now, so this is going to stay there for 5 minutes. Okay, guys? I'm going to cover for 5 minutes or so. So I'm going to put my peas here. So I already washed the peas. So I already washed the peas. So I'm going to put it in this water. You can see. That's it. So we're going to stay there. And then when this one is scald off, I'm going to put it together. But if you don't want to put it together, if the peas is softer, you can cook the peas, and then you can put it in the pigtail. But I'm going to put it in after. I'm going to throw off this water now, guys. So guys, I throw off the water, wash it off. So I'm going to throw the peas in it. So if the peas cook before, guys, I just take out the peas. So this is going to stay there and cook. You see it there, guys? Stay there and cook, and it will take like an hour to cook. If you don't have a pressure cooker, it will take like an hour to cook. If I'm pressure cooker, quick time it's finished. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna let it stay there and cook. Change my mind, guys. I just put it in the pressure cooker. Take less time. For my rice pot, my scallion, and a little salt. I'm going to wash my rice now. You wash it like this, guys. Wash it. And you can put margarine in it, but I'm not going to put any margarine. Okay, just salt and scallion. Stay there, cook like a 10 minutes. Making some small dumpling, guys, that we call spinners. Okay, so I'm going to roll them. I can make some small ones like this. Garlic, guys. This is my seasoning. And this is my rosemary and thyme that I boil. Okay, and that's it. Putting in my season. And guys, you can put a little coconut milk in it if you want. Guys, it smells so good, tastes so good. And as I say, I don't use the thyme leaves like that. I always boil it with the rosemary and the cloves. All right. So this is my stew piece. In the next 2 or 3 minutes. And my viewers and subscribers, this don't need a lot of seasoning because the meat already been salted. Okay? Don't need a lot of seasoning. You can see my pigtail here. Got my pigtail. You can see the peas. But if you want to put more spice in it or whatever seasoning, salt, margarine or whatever, you can put it. But I don't put any in mine, okay? Because it already been salted, okay? And as I say, you can put some of this in it, the coconut milk, all right? So my viewers and my subscribers, this is my finished pot of rice, okay, guys? This is my finished pot of rice. So I'm going to show you my. So this is it now, guys. This is my stew peas and rice. So you can just come over for some. And as I must say, thanks again for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for bigging up my channel. And thank you, my YouTube family and friend. Big up yourself. And remember, guys, to subscribe to my channel. And also remember, oops, the camera. Sorry about that, guys. The camera just turned over. And remember to turn on your notification bell. And when I upload a video, you're the first one to know. So this is it for the day. My white rice, my tomato, my lettuce, and my stew peas and rice. And you can try it and let me know. Make a comment on my video, guys. Tell me, have you ever eaten it before? Because it's pork, and some people they really don't eat pork. And let me know. Try it at home and let me know how it tastes. All right, big up yourself and see you in another video. All right, then you can just come over. Give me a call. Okay, guys. Bye bye. You take care. Make a comment, guys.